Okay, meet again with me. Okay, in this video we will discuss about how to make the sum of odd numbers in Flowgorithm. Okay, like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 and until plus 2 times n minus 1. Okay, check it out. Thank you. The first we must open the Flowgorithm, and then we declare the variables. I use variable I and sum and num. I and n are used to make looping, and sum to calculate the summation of the odd numbers, and num is to calculate the odd numbers. Okay, and then the first we must input the n. I use like this. Input n. Okay, and then I add the input n, and then I use looping, like this. Okay, and before I use looping, because I want to calculate the summation of odd numbers, so I must give a sign that the initial value of sum is equal to 0. 0, it means the identity element of addition operations. Okay, like this. And then I use looping the variable I from 1 to n minus 1, because I want to I use n minus 1 because I want to make the good display to display the n odd numbers and the n odd numbers. Yes. And then I assign again that num is equal to 2 times I minus 1. I want to declare the odd numbers, the I odd numbers. Okay, and I'm sorry, I not this assign, but I want to make the output. Yeah, the output like this. Yeah, not use not new line. I use num. And I want to display the operation of this series here, like this. And before this, I give assign again, and don't forget to get the sum is equal to sum plus num. Okay, like this. And after that, I add in out of these loopings, I add the output again. Okay, I assign that sum is sum plus 2 times n minus 1, and I get the output like this. This is the 2 times n minus 1. Okay, like this. Yes, and sum. Okay, we try this program. Okay, use 5. So I will get like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, you can check, 4 9 18 25, like this. Okay, thank you. This is the program using Flowgorithm to calculate the summation of odd numbers. Okay, thank you.